Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different designing, mind-blowing ideas. Beautiful, some are light color, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, stylish. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decoratively beaded stones, crochet flower decorated ideas. Different colors, different styles. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. Good comment section, you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet bracelet ideas. Very nice, so beautiful ideas, so super stylish, most demanding, most wearing. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet bracelet. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.